For you all in Tagalog, kumusta po kayong lahat? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez speaking to you about the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am author, writer of 22 books, and university professor as well. Speak Tagalog is my first book, written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. And my mom's cookbook is also one of my 22 books, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by yours truly, speaking to you about the video, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, and all my 22 books you'll find worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, OutskirtsPress.com, all online stores and bookstores worldwide near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. And how are you all? Kumusta po kayong lahat? Welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. By the way, for those of you who are asking what is ABC, Miss Gutierrez is a special teacher. Thank you very much. Pardon me, please. This is a gift from my student in New York City, here in New York City, where I am teaching as a New York City school teacher, and the Big Apple is there, and ABC, Miss Gutierrez is a special teacher, a gift from my Filipino student, a valedictorian in our school, and I'm the only Filipino in our school, if I could mention that. And welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. And we continue with our parts of speech. And this is the fourth part of speech, pang-uri, adjective. So parts in Tagalog bahagi of, in Tagalog ng, speech in Tagalog pananalita. And so the fourth parts of speech in Tagalog bahagi ng pananalita, pang-uri, in English adjective, and it describes or modifies a pronoun. We already studied pronoun in Tagalog is panghalip, and so pang-uri, naglalarawan, in Tagalog describes, naglalarawan ng sa panghalip, o modifies, tumutulong sa panghalip. For example, pang-uri adjective describes, naglalarawan ng panghalip. Halimbawa, for example, size. Size in Tagalog, malaki. Big, maliit, small. That is an example of pang-uri or adjective in English. Another pang-uri, isa pang pang-uring halimbawa, another adjective example, color, kulay in Tagalog. Example, halimbawa, red, pula. Another example of adjective, another example, halimbawa, in Tagalog, pang-uri, halimbawa ng pang-uri. Example of adjective, describing emotion. Emotion, in Tagalog, pakiramdam. Halimbawa, for example, masaya. In English, happy. Let's review the parts of speech. Parts, bahagi of, ng speech, pananalita. The fourth one, pang-uri, adjective in English. It describes or modifies a pronoun. In Tagalog, ang pang-uri ay naglalarawan o tumutulong sa panghalip. For example, halimbawa, size, in Tagalog, malaki. In English, big. Maliit. In Tagalog, small. Color. It describes color as well. Adjective. Pang-uri in the Tagalog language. Color in Tagalog, kulay. Red in Tagalog, pula. Example, halimbawa. Another pang-uri or adjective example, halimbawa ng pang-uri, emotion. In Tagalog, pakiramdam. Pakiramdam. Halimbawa, example, masaya. In English, happy. Let's review parts of speech. Parts, bahagi o ng speech pananalita. Pang-uri, in English, adjective, describes or modifies a pronoun. In Tagalog, pang-uri, naglalarawan o tumutulong sa panghalip. Pronoun panghalip. Example, halimbawa, size. In Tagalog, malaki, big, maliit, small. Color. In Tagalog, kulay. Example, halimbawa, red, pula. Another example of adjective o pang-uri in Tagalog, halimbawa, example, in English, emotion. In Tagalog, pakiramdam. Pakiramdam. Example, halimbawa, masaya. Masaya. In English, happy. And I hope you learned something today. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. God bless you and us all. And thank you all so very much to all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. In Tagalog, marami pong salamat sa aking mga tagatangkilik at taga-subaybay. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo. Pagpalain po tayo ng may kapal. In English, thank you also very much to all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. God bless us all in love and light. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart. Sana po ay mag-subscribe. Yung hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, marami pong salamat. Pagpalaan po tayo ng may kapal. Thank you all so very much again. And see you. God bless us all.